everyone, welcome to our platform Online Study for You, one step solution for all your placement needs. So, Capgemini has again started hiring for 19 and 20 pass outs, right, for engineering and MCA batch. It is an off-campus drive from Capgemini. So do watch the complete video. Also do subscribe our YouTube channel and our new YouTube channel, that is Online Study for You Jobs as well. Link for the new YouTube channel is given in the description itself. Now all the videos that we have removed from our YouTube channel are going to be uploaded on our Online Study for You Jobs YouTube channel, so that your learning cannot stop. There can be no hurdle in your preparation, right? So do subscribe the channel, do watch the videos and keep preparing. Just a quick reminder that do install our Online Study for You app. The link for the app is also given in the description. Here's a good news for all of our students that Online Study for You has tied up with Codecademy. Now, what is Codecademy? So it is a US-based company which provides lots of courses on coding, on development skills, on app designing, on Python, Java, and various other programming languages, so that students can learn. Professionals can also learn and can get placed into their dream company, that is Amazon, Google, or so, right? So we have tied up, we have collaborated with Codecademy. Now, what is happening? So Codecademy is offering a discount currently. So if you will purchase the course from their sites, it will cost you around 3750 rupees. But as we have collaborated with them, so now if you will purchase those courses are available on our app also. So if you will purchase those courses from our app, so you can access 100 plus courses for 2.5 months in just 999 rupees, right? So that's a wonderful opportunity. You can learn 100 plus courses. Now what you will be learning in these courses? So there are various courses that you can learn according to your choices, that is web development, data science, computer science, developer tools, machine learning, web design, game development, various languages like it, HTML, CSS, Python, JavaScript. So there is lots of things to learn. And now what makes Codecademy different from other things? That is, here whatever you are learning, you are implementing practically as well, right? Because practical learning matters a lot, and even you know that during Corona, the only industry that was growing, that was IT industry only, right? And for being a part of IT industry, these skills matters a lot, right? Especially when you want to get into the software development field, coding matters a lot. So it is a wonderful opportunity. The offer is for limited period, so just do enroll now. Do check our app. Here you will get all the courses, right? The offer is for limited time. So even if you don't want to learn as of now, so just do purchase, and within the span of this 2.5 months, you can start learning, right? And you will get access to 100 plus courses. And after the completion of each course, a certificate will be provided to you that you can mention in your resume or CV. And you know that it matters a lot when you have something, you have worked on some skills and you are putting this on resume. So your chances of getting shortlisted also increases. So do enroll. The link for the same is provided in the description itself. Happy learning. So basically, Capgemini is hiring for engineering MCA batch 2019 and 2020 diversity off-campus recruitment drive. It is the last date to register is 10 March 2021. So without any delay, do register. There's something mentioned regarding Capgemini, so even you can go through it once. The link for this job role is given in the description itself, so you can check it from there, right? Now in the eligibility criteria, they have mentioned that it is for 2019 and 2020 pass outs. Candidates passing out in 2019-2020 must meet all of the following criteria. So this drive and these positions are currently open for women candidates only. So only women can apply. Should have graduated in 2019-2020, should have 60% and above in 10th, 12th, diploma, graduation, MCA, MTech. Only 1 year gap in education is allowed after higher secondary, right? No gap is allowed after diploma. Qualification mentioned is MCA, BE, BTech, but must be from mentioned specialization only, that is information technology, information science, computer science, computer, electronics, electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, electrical and electronics, electrical, electronics and instrumentation, and instrumentation. About MEM Tech students, they have mentioned that must be from mentioned specialization only: information technology, information science, computer science, and computers. Must possess excellent English written, spoken communication skills, must be open to relocate to any Capgemini location, work across technology, domain, role, and should be ready to work in shifts if required. Only shortlisted students will be invited for the assessment selection process. So not everyone is going to be invited. If you are not meeting these criteria, then you will not be shortlisted. So only shortlisted will be invited for the assessment. Selection process will be done in virtual mode, so you don't have to go anywhere, right? Candidates will be responsible for arranging required infrastructure for appearing for the selection process, which will be conducted online. So first process is technical assessment pseudocode, then multiple choice questions based English communication test, then game based aptitude test, then behavioral competency profiling, then technical and HR interview. So we would like to reiterate that technical communication and game based aptitude tests are elimination round, right? So technical communication and game based aptitude test is elimination, and this behavioral competency profiling, that is not elimination round. It is just for understanding the innate profile of the candidate and is not a filtration step, right? Now what you have to do, so you have to register for this one, right? So it is a wonderful opportunity for all the female candidates from 2019 and 2020 pass out batch. So for registration, click on register now. Then you will be redirected to this page. So here you have to choose your college, right? So you have to choose your college. Accordingly, you can choose, right? And then you have to give an email address here. So you have to provide the email address. And if you already having an Superset profile account, right? So if you are already having an account, then what you have to do, you have to simply sign in to proceed, right? So if you are not registered, then you have to do the registration. Otherwise, you can just simply do sign in, right? So this is a wonderful opportunity for all the girls. Do apply. Best of luck. Happy learning. Bye-bye.